learning about Te Reo Maori.
As you know, our daily online sessions this week will have 3 parts to them.
A mini lesson, kupu o te rā, word of the day, and a kiwaha o te rā, saying or phrase of the day.
Let's get into our mini lesson for the day. Today's lesson is on pronunciation. For many, pronunciation of Te Reo Maori is the trickiest part.
Today, we'll go over some basic vowel and consonant sounds, as well as pronunciation of some of our taumato-related names.
These are the letters of the Maori alphabet. We will go over the ones in yellow. Let's begin. Our vowel sounds in Te Reo Maori are a, e, I, o, and u.
Repeat after me. A, e, I, o, u. Your turn. Nice work. Next, we will go over 3 of the trickiest sounds.
First up is the a sound, r, which is a very short and slightly rolled sound. If you can make the sound of a purring cat, that's the sound. Give it a go. Repeat after me. R. Tauke. Well done. You hear the sound in the word rotorua.
Next, we're going to practice the WH sound. In Te Reo, this sound is like the F sound. Let's give it a go. Repeat after me. Ka mau te wehi. You hear the sound in words like whitianga or whakatane. Finally, we're going to practice the NG sound. We actually already say this sound in English, like in the word singer.
Let's give it a go. Repeat after me. Nice work. You might hear the sound in the word Ngāti Ranginui, which is one of our local tauranga iwi.
Let's practice using these sounds with some commonly used words. This word is maunga. It means mountain.
Let's give it a go. Repeat after me. Maunga. Nice work. And this next word, we're practicing all 3 tricky sounds that we've learnt.
This word is whakarongo. It means listen. Let's give it a go. Repeat after me. Whakarongo. Well done.
For the last word, we're looking at our city's name. We'll practice the r and ng sound in this word.
Let's give it a go. Repeat after me. Tauranga. Ka pai. This word is often mispronounced.
You might have seen this painting by Mr. G at the Tauranga airport. It's Tauranga, not Tauranga.
It's important that we all know how to pronounce our city's own name.
We're going to move on to our next segment, Kupu o te rā. Kupu o te rā means word of the day in Maori.
Today's kupu o te rā is inu.
Inu means drink or to drink. For example, kei te inu kāwhi ia,
which means she is drinking coffee.
Ready to repeat after me? Inu. Well done.
Now we're moving to our next segment, Kiwaha o te rā.
Kiwaha o te rā means saying of the day.
Today's kiwaha o te rā is taihua, which simply means wait, hold up, or don't be in a hurry.
Here's an example. Hey Ollie, we have to go to the supermarket right now.
Taihua, I just need to put my shoes on.
Ready to repeat after me? Let's give it a go. Taihua. That's right, again. Taihua. Well done. Let's now recap on what we have learned. Repeat after us. Firstly, our vowel sounds.
Repeat after me. A, e, I, o, and u.
Now, let's do our consonant sounds. Repeat after me. R, n, f, ka pai.
Now, let's look at the kupu and kiwaha we've learned today.
Repeat after me. Maunga. Maunga.
Repeat after me. Whakarongo. Whakarongo.
Repeat after me. Tauranga. Tauranga.
Repeat after me. Inu. Inu.
Repeat after me. Taihua. Taihua.
Ka mau te uhi. Awesome.
You can now use these greetings, au kupu and ki waho o te rā, in your conversations with your friends, learning coaches, and whānau.
We look forward to seeing you for tomorrow's Te Wiki o Te Reo Maori meeting.
Kia kaha te reo Māori.
Make the Maori language strong.